Okay, this is the construction report for unit number 15. They're putting up the numbers. Just have some touch up around the door. Starting to look good. They're starting to put the appliances in. I'll give you a view of what's going on here. It's all painted. Looks like it's all the floors are covered up. All the hardware is on in the kitchen. Okay, dishwasher, stove. Looks like they put in the plumbing. Let's see, is the hot water heater in yet? It is almost in. Okay, washer dryer area. Walking into the bathroom. Looks like they have some. Gotta put the faucet in there. Okay, there is your stove. Okay, looks like these still need to be stained. All your rails are in. Looks like they're finishing up the vent right there. The floors look fantastic. Okay, kind of going in. They haven't put up the mirrors yet. The faucets are in. This looks great. Bathroom is huge here. Okay, going to the upstairs. There's a vent up there. Looks like everything's ready in the closet. Fantastic closet. All painted. Spare bedroom. Exterior looks good. Let me see. You can see the Capitol. Right through there.